Hey guys, what's going on? This is your boy Dave, and I got an issue with my bike. It's a small issue, but it can affect you if you get a flat. Now, I'm gonna turn the camera around, and please like and subscribe to my channel. You guys are watching my videos, but you're not liking or even disliking, so please uh, like the videos. I'm not trying to become a millionaire at this. I'm just trying to help people out. So if you find this video informational, please like and even subscribe if you want. Now, the issue with these Volomart wheels that, come with the kit is that the valve extensions are not regular size. Let me find. This is kind of hard to do with one hand, but I'm going to attempt to find a hole right quick. Here we go. Without, messing up my wire, but I can always um, adjust that later. All right, now there's the valve stem hole. Now on these rims, um, if you put a regularly sized stem in, it won't go through long enough for you to get air in the stem. And I'll show you what I mean. And I got caught off guard by this. I always carry tools and a extra tube or even a patch kit in my bag. So I was prepared to change the flat. And the funny thing that I come to find out is, I'll swing over here right quick. This is a standard tube that you might put in a regular rim tire. These rims are made differently than, say, this rim back here. And I'll zoom in on this. You see how far the inner tube stands out? This is just a normal rim, you know. And as I pan back to this type of rim requires a longer stem. Now, they don't say that when you buy the kit. Now, as I pan back here, this is a normal size stem. I think it's 32 milliliters. You're going to need a stem that is at least, I think this is a 44. No, this is a 48 length stem. I believe 44 or 48. Now, if I put these two together, can you see the difference in length? Maybe I don't have it close enough for you to tell, but there's a difference in length. I think a better way to show you is just put the stem through, and I'll show you the difference. I think that's what I'm going to do. So, like I said, I'm doing this with one hand. Now, this is a standard stem, and I'm going to put it through the hole this way. I was going to go through. You see how far it goes through? It doesn't go through long enough for you to put your air in. It just doesn't go through long enough. Again, this is like a 32-inch stem. Now, we'll put this back over here. We'll uncap this. This is the longer stem, which is what you'll need if you carry tubes like I do. Now I'm going to put this one through. And like I said, I'm doing this with one hand. Now this is interesting. Now this is not going through either. I'm trying to put it through there. See, it just went through. You see how much more clearance you have with the 48 length milliliter stem? It goes all the way through, and now you can put your air in. So that's a very important thing to know. If you have a Volomart kit, front or rear, you're going to have to buy, if you keep extra tubes like I do, you're going to have to buy an extra long valve stem. So keep that in mind if you have a Volomart front hub kit. I know this is a front hub kit that I have, but I'm sure it applies to the rear kit because it's the same thing, but it's just on the rear. I just wanted to let you guys know that you're going to have the extra long stem on your tubes to work with the Volomart front kit. I hope this information is valuable to you. It's damn sure valuable to me because I didn't know that until I got the flat Sunday, and today is Wednesday and I just got the tubes in the mail today. And that's very important for you to know. So I'm going to end the video here. I hope this helps you guys out, and be safe out here riding. God bless you. Good night.